Day 28 of learning to duck call and only 48 days left before that duck hunt that I was drawn for, so let's get to practicing. Yesterday's video's comments did have some things in there about my hand movements and even about my quack in some spots, but what I think is important is that I've made a lot of progress these last 28 days, and I'm not going to stop practicing my quack or my cadence if I continue to move on. I know they're not perfect, but I think I'm doing quite well. So for today, let's just showcase some of the quacks and cadence that I've gotten down, and then tomorrow we can move on to that feed chuckle. That's me after 28 days, 4 straight weeks of practicing how to duck call. I started from nothing and here I am. I think I've made great progress. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but like I've said before, I'm still gonna work on everything, whether it's on camera or off, the quack, the cadence, but I think it's time we try something new. So tomorrow, day 29, let's start the feed chuckle.